In the sun-drenched, brutal expanses of the kingdom of Asteria, where the dunes shift like living creatures and the heat can melt the resolve of the strongest men, lived Alara, a girl born with the forbidden silt blood. She was a sandweaver, capable of hearing the whispers of the desert and bending the scorching winds to her will, a gift that the tyrannical King Osire had declared a death sentence heresy. Alara lived in the subterranean shadows of the city of Kashar, working as a spirit smuggler, guiding the oppressed through the lethal, wandering wastes by masking their tracks with phantom gusts. She was a ghost in her own land, until the night the sky bled crimson during the Crimson Eclipse, and the most wanted man in the Empire collapsed at the entrance of her hidden cavern. It was Prince Kalen, the ice-hearted heir, but he was not the cold executioner the propaganda suggested. He lay shivering in the 110-degree heat, his skin laced with frost and his veins glowing with a haunting sapphire light. Kalen had been cursed by his own father, King Osire, who used a dark, necromantic alchemy to turn his son into a living prison for a glacial magic that was slowly freezing his soul. He had fled the Golden Palace not to save his crown, but to find the only person whose warmth wasn't just physical. A sandweaver whose ancient magic was rumored to be the only thing capable of melting the void ice. As they embarked on a perilous trek toward the mythical oasis of memory, the world itself seemed to conspire against them. They were hunted by the Shadow Stalkers, wraiths stitched together from the dust of fallen soldiers, led by the king's ruthless commander, Varys. During these long, starlit nights, the tension between Alara and Kalen grew into something more dangerous than the desert itself. Every time Alara used her heat to keep Kalen's heart beating, a psychic resonance sparked between them. She saw his memories, the loneliness of a prince raised as a weapon.